going to be doing something I never thought I'd ever do on YouTube, but I like watching on YouTube. That's cooking. And so one thing I want to tell you is I want to make something very clear. I won't be cooking every time. My channel will be everything and anything that exists in this world. But we're going to be dedicating Thursdays for cooking. Or rather, yeah, Thursdays. Thursdays is every Thursday I'll be uploading a video cooking something. And these are the rules of my cooking. First, call me the bachelor's chef. That's me. Then the next thing is I'm not going to be using an oven or complicated spices or things that are not very affordable to a third world country. I'm not going to live somewhere I'm not. So I'm going to be trying, even if I'm using something from the fridge, when I use something from the fridge or at least something from the fridge, don't take it seriously. I'll show you ways of doing it without the fridge or the oven. So that means when we bake, we never gotta use an oven. I don't know how to bake without an oven, so I'm gonna try. And the next thing is we're going to be using a gas cooker, whatever. Anywhere I go to, someone allows me, I'm gonna film in the place. But we're going to be trying to avoid the complicated recipes. I'm dealing with the third world people. I'm dealing with the broke. I'm dealing with the lazy. I'm dealing with those people who don't like complications. I'm dealing with the sick people who don't like their food to be very spicy. But if I do a video and you need to add spices, I'll be saying it. Or complicated spices. We're going to be making cheese at home and all that stuff. So if you know you like the Bachelor's Chef, subscribe and tell a friend. Sorry, my videos I'll be laughing a lot. That's because I love laughing and because I actually realized cooking is very hard. I'm actually doing this video post cooking. So the video for tomorrow, the video for Thursday, this week I'm going to be making bread samosa. So keep it tuned and okay, so sorry, welcome. So these are the potatoes. Okay, the main reason I'm using these, there are 3 cut into 2 because I'm only going to make like 2 slices of bread with this, so this should be enough. And I'm gonna boil it and then I'll see you later. Oh, I actually put salt in my water. As you can see, moisture started forming. So since I want to be able to mash them up, I'm gonna wait for a few more minutes. If you wanna know a potato is ready, when you cut it, it cuts easy. And since this was to be mashed, I allow them to boil a little more until the water is all gone. Next up, my bachelor people, is to use something to mash. So I'm gonna use this, but you can use anything, you can even use a spoon. So this is one-stop mashing because our potatoes are already okay, like they're fine. And now all I need to do is mash them up and that's it. Lakini ujue uko na kijiko, unaweza tumia kijiko. Just don't let anyone pressure you. Okay? Hii life ni ngumu already, we're in a third world country. That's hard enough. Yeah, so no, mine are mashed. As in, at least this is what I wanted. So they are completely mashed. And the thing I like about these things is it can even cut. So, guys, niko done. I'm done because I'll still fry them up. So that's how it's supposed to look like. I'm completely done. Now, next step is to cook them. So that's the oil. We're heating it up a bit. Then we're gonna put our onions. So, skiza, the same pot you used for to make potatoes. So guys, okay, so I was waiting for the oil equimoto. Then remember, the sufuria you use for potatoes you can still use for this, but now I'm gonna use a different one. Remember the oil is very hot, and I don't want the tomatoes onions to be brown. So that's it. Yeah, now let me show you what I did for my onions, tomatoes and hoho, and that's what I'm gonna add. You see that? And they also have a little bit of spice, coriander, the capsicum, everything. So I'm gonna wait for this to cook kidogo. Then my minced meat is frozen. So let me turn this a little bit. Oh, I actually also put ginger and garlic. Don't worry guys, we can all grow improving. Okay, some people, but I don't understand how you can put peas in mincemeat, but whatever, man. I'm a chef for the less privileged, not less privileged. I'm a chef for the lazy, the broke, the single, those living on a budget, or those who don't even want to live at all. So yeah, now this is gonna be my lunch and dinner. So now it's time to put the mincemeat, because the mincemeat is really frozen. Alright, this is the minced meat. It's really frozen. Don't worry, you can just buy it from the butcher. Msijali na mangusha. So that's it. The next thing I think notice I didn't put spices. And this meat is actually oxidized. That's where there is this. See, kukwa rotten, it's oxidized. So guys, if you didn't notice, I didn't put spices. That's because I'm gonna put them later. Now I'll just put some water and cover so that my meat defrosted. Reach to defrost. I'm gonna just cover it up a bit. This is so chaotic, like, but you can see, yeah, you can see it has started defrosting. I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes. I have to cover it. So guys, it's been 5 minutes and voila! You can see the whole thing melted. Now I wanna tell you something. I don't like putting a lot of spices in my food. So the thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put only 2 Royco cubes. And the next thing I'm gonna put is a bit of salt, because you know these cubes usually have a lot of salt. Plus remember, this is for bread, so we don't want it to be very spicy. So do what? Actually, spicy is okay, but we don't want it to be. We don't want it to be. Okay, no, we don't want it to taste ewish. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna wait for this because in the next 2 minutes, then we'll also fry the potatoes and we're gonna make our sandwich. By the way, maybe saying a car long, but this thing is very short. You can actually do this in less than 10 minutes. Yeah, you can. Because if your meat is not, actually ignore my meat. Okay, so get done with that, guys. And now I'm gonna just wait for it ikauke, because it's for meat. Just keep in mind it's for meat. So I'm gonna wait for it ikauke. Sorry, I meant Nashinda nikiji confused. Don't worry guys, it's my first video, but I'm gonna continue improving. Yeah. So I'm waiting for you and what you share. Also, it's very good to learn how to boil meat. I don't know why people who make meat usually make it in 5 minutes, but this is beef that's just grinded. So it has the same, you should boil it just about the same time you give to your beef, okay? So guys, see Meisha, let me just give it 2 minutes. Ikauke kau. I'm gonna show you when. This is for the potatoes. I'm gonna show you the meat. Bado nangoja the steam. So this are the potatoes. This is for the potatoes, I mean. I don't like when my whatever is in a pot brown, my onions, unless it's for guys, zimi vitu napitia. Hivi ndio vitu watu wakitupikia online wanapikianga, like you can usually go through this. I'm sorry, man. I'm really sorry. I'm not gonna put tomatoes. Like you miss and then you actually know we can do it. I just put onion. I mean salt. We just having good vibes and inshallah, my dear. Anyway, what are the vitu mingi wakipika we? So, this capsicum hoho is ready. No, it's not ready, but I like it in half done. But just give it time. If you feel like, yeah, I'm just done. Now remember the potatoes we had earlier on. time to put them. Oh, I didn't put any spices. I'm gonna put a bit of mixed spices, and then just kidogo nichanganye because I don't want my food to smell like lettuce. Then that's it. No, guys. Oh my god, this makes me miss. I'm not gonna put water at all. Then got for non-stick for years. And then this is it. That's it. Okay? That's it. At least for me, that's it. This is the minced meat. I, of course, took half of it because I'm going because I'm gonna use the other half for something else. Okay, bachelor life, you have to survive. Okay, this is the potato. Okay, it's okay. By the has to but you see, I just wanted them to look like. Okay, this one's about chicken. Remember, I just used 3 potatoes. So this is the bread. This company of bread, I've never seen it before. This bread, by the way, when you put on my way home, you know that the way bachelors, we always just buy things from the street. That's what I did. So I'm supposed to apply margarine, but in this video, I'm gonna be thinking my heart is going to pour out to those people without margarine. I actually do have margarine, but I'm not gonna use margarine. So I'm gonna take our bread. I washed my hands. Kwanza nyima bachelor kwa avoid kwenda hosi mnaosha mikono every time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the minced meat on. Is it slices ninga? These are 8 slices, so I'm gonna put 4 like here. Oh, remember you're supposed to put margarine on the outside side, but me sikwangi fan of margarine. But you can just put margarine at this point. I'm gonna stuff them up like samosas, okay? And not in the inside, usike margarine ndani, okay? It ends up to taste funny. And I tasted the minced meat, by the way. Yeah. So, by the way, I think this is chicken minced meat because in a taste cut chicken. This is the second one. Now, by the way, they are so full such that hata sijui, like, now I'm here wondering because I'm alone. Should I just put in these 2? No. So what I'm gonna do, I don't feel like having a lot. I've told you I'm just not feeling well today. So these 2 are ready. I'm gonna put this in the toaster, then we come and put the potatoes. Thank you. So guys, for this one, I'm gonna apply margarine on the outer side, but on the inner side, from Nilele. Sorry guys, some of my audience is in Sri Lankan people. I said form is that form Nilele. What up, man? So guys, you see that? Now when you're done with that, oh god, oh my Jesus, sorry. And then unaona bread guys, siniwambia mimi sijui company ni anawapi. So guess what's wrong with the bread? It was so brittle. Next time mkibuy bread, mjue kwenye mnabuy. But usijali, for us, for the kind of people I'm cooking for, it's okay. I mean, you people who are out there who appreciate the simplicity of life. Actually guys, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Now again, I think I'm gonna have to toast more badai for dinner, but for now I'm done. Now imagine if I'll have to get more bread. So let's toast this as we see venyezo zingine zime turn out. So guys, as we live and breathe, this is potato and then this is meat. Now guys, you can see they're very soup. Okay, so there's something I did. This is meat, okay? This one is softer because I didn't want it to crunch. If you want them to be extremely crunchy, you have to leave them in the toaster for a bit longer. So this is meat. I'm gonna cut a bit because this one is very soft, as I told you. But then I have a bad finger, you see. So since my hands are always clean, msijali, Come, you don't want to wash your hands, that's your problem. So look at this. See, these are supposed to look like. Nice things. This is potato. Do you see it's very super soft? Nimefungana. I actually think, guys, you can do this on YouTube. On a fryer, whatever. So this is the quality of bread I was talking about. So guys, as you can see, both sides. This one was left out of the toaster. I think that's why it's broken. So as you can see, this is the potato one, but I'm not kind. So guys, this one, you see, this is the banana potato. Hey guys, nimechoka. I'm just from work and I'm really feeling exhausted. So you see, this is crunchy. It's okay. This part was left outside the toaster. That's why it's like this. So guys, I can make this one look. I've made this one look so messy, right? Don't worry. After all, I'm the only one who's going to eat them. So guys, that's it. And voila! Till next time. Bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my recipe for today. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm sorry I laughed too much and maybe there were mistakes. I'm gonna try improving next time, and I'll see you when I see you guys next Thursday. Bye.